Welcome to WP EasyPay. Learn how to connect Square Sandbox account. From WP EasyPay dashboard, go to Square Connect to connect your Square account. For this walkthrough, we'll use test mode for sandbox testing. In the highlighted disclaimer, click on the Seller Test Account link to open your Square Sandbox account. Now, log in using your Square credentials. After logging in, if you're new to Square Sandbox, click New Sandbox Test Account to create one. If you already have an account, continue by opening your Square dashboard. Once your Square dashboard opens in a new tab, return to your WP EasyPay dashboard and click Connect Square Sandbox. You'll be redirected to a confirmation page. Click That's my site, redirect me to continue. Whoa! Your Square account is connected successfully. Next, select your business location and choose the payment methods you want to enable. Click Save Settings to apply your settings. Learn how to create and publish a simple payment form. From the WP EasyPay dashboard, click on Create Payment Form. In the Form Settings section, enter a form name. For this walkthrough, we'll name it Simple Payment Form. Next, add a short description for your form. This helps users understand what the payment is for. Now, select the payment type. Choose Simple Payment. Select the amount type and enter a custom amount depending on your payment needs. To improve the form's appearance, select a form shadow style. Then, click the Publish button to save and create your payment form. Next, go to Pages and click Add New to create a new page for your payment form. Add a page title, such as Simple Payment Form. Now, click the block inserter, search for WP EasyPay, and select the WP EasyPay block. From the dropdown, choose the form you just created. Finally, click Publish to make the page live. Now, fill in the basic information required on the form. Select the payment amount. Then, enter the card details. For this walkthrough, I'm using a test card number. Finally, click Pay to submit the form. Great! Your payment form was submitted successfully. Start creating your first payment form today with WP EasyPay.